Hello, CA final students. What is required to clear CA final exam in the first attempt? Number one, conceptual understanding. Very much required. You can't mug up things, you have to understand the concepts. Second, writing practice. You need to solve questions. Reading problems and solution doesn't help. Even in theory subjects, you need writing practice. Periodic tests for the writing practice, obviously. Revision and prelims. These are the things required to ensure success in the first attempt. Face to face classroom lectures where you have a live interaction with the professor, you have discussions with your friends. This is the only way to get all these five. Yes. I, Professor Himanshu Patel, with 35 plus years of teaching experience, I'm glad to announce that we at Shesh Educare are commencing a new CA final batch for May 26 and November 26 exams. The batch will commence from 9th of April. It will be a face-to-face classroom batch with a backup of recorded lectures, and in case of emergency also we have a facility for online attendance. You can attend via any online platform, so that is also something which we are offering. Admissions are available subject wise and for all subjects. Contact immediately for more details. Wait. I teach advanced financial management. A little bit about advanced financial management. In CA final, the most scoring subject will be AFL. If a subject takes care of your aggregate, it is going to be AFL. You will hear a lot about, from your seniors that AFM is very, mathematical, lot of statistics, lot of formulas. This is what you hear from people. No. I will teach you everything logically. Every formula will be logically understood. You don't have to mug up the formulas. Exhaustive practice we will have in the class. Tests, etc. will be conducted. There will be no mugging up. I again emphasize on that. Every formula will be logically understood. Your paper is going to be 30 marks case study based MCQs and 70 marks of detailed questions as you have been doing till now. I can assure you that out of the 70 marks detailed questions that you have, where problems and you solve them, what you have been doing till now, out of 70 marks, guaranteed 55 to 60 marks will be exactly what we have done in the class. That much exhaustive coverage we will do in the class. So 55-60 marks, exactly what we have done in the class, with minor change in numbers here and there. I cannot give you full guarantee because institute sometimes comes out with something new. Otherwise, I would have said full 70 marks is what we have done in the class. But 55 to 60 marks, I am assuring you, exactly what we have done in the class. We will have a, more understanding of the case study based MCQs as the ICI conducts exams. We are in the process of developing a question bank for that. So, a lot of practice for case study based MCQs also will be done. And trust me, AFM is something which is going to help you to pass CA final in the first attempt. And for AFM, as I said, detailed logical understanding, no mugging up of formulas is what we are offering. So the batch starts with AFM on 9th of April. Contact at Shesh Educare, Dadar and Charni Road branch as early as possible. Details are given here under. Thank you.